Please close your lips and sound E and O each during 1 second. Repeat 10 times. Please strongly press the tongue depressor with your lips during 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please close your lips tightly and inflate both cheeks during 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Open your chin and hold during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please opening your chin slightly and move to the left during 3 seconds and then move to the right during 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please stick your tongue out during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please stick your tongue out and up the tip of your tongue during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please stick out your tongue and move it to the left during 5 seconds and then move it to the right during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Overcome the resistance of the tongue depressor with the tip of your tongue and push it upward strongly during 1 second. Repeat 10 times. Please pulling your tongue strongly to the back and yawn during 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please extinguish the candle by blowing during 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please inflate the balloon during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please take a deep breath and sound a loud ah during 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Please pull your chin in with lifting your head, and look at your toes during 1 second. Please repeat 10 times.